Number 1 Phung kaham Good morning Phung kaham no hangka chung good morning hani hano Good morning Number 2 Nung kaham da tong Obono English by hanai How are you doing How are you doing How are you doing Number 3 Nung by ma la yui ani kha ka chang kha Nice to meet you Nice to meet you Nice to meet you Number 4 Ni ni bu mung ta mo Obono English by hanai What is your name What is your name What is your name Number 5 Ni ni bu mung ki cha shawi da mano May I know your name please May I know your name please Tasha shanai May I know your name please May I know your name please Question number 4 by 5 Kicha similar no Kicha sholayo Ekta shime no difference Number 4 question hangka kicha directly sungka Nini bumung tamo honai Number 5 question kai kicha politely khai Nini bumung kicha shawi da man no honai shangu Kokborok by hello Hanna thangma no English hobo hello no hin nai Kokborok by Te khorok sa borok hi Hani reply ri mani no English by bo hi no hon reply ri nai Kokborok by Nung bahai tong hanma no English hoke How are you hon hanai How are you How are you Kokborok by Ang kaham no tongo Nung le Hani reply ri na thangma no hinke English by hin nai I am good How are you I am good How are you I am good How are you Kokborok by Kaham no Nung English hawi da man Hanma no English by shanai Good Do you speak English Ang tasya shanai Good Do you speak English Do you speak English Kokborok by Kisha kisha shawi mano Hanma no English by hinai Yes A little Yes A little Kokborok by Nung buro ni engkha Hanma no English by hanai Where are you from Ang tasya shanai Where are you from Where are you from Kokborok by Ang Agartala ni Hanma no English by shanai I'm from Agartala Kokborok by Nung by ma la yui Kha ka chang kha Hanma no English by shanai Nice to meet you Nice to meet you Nice to meet you Hambai Kokborok by Kicha khanaga di Hanma no English by hanai
Excuse me please
Kokborok by Shadita mo Hanma no English by hanai
Yes, tell me
Kokborok by Ang airport to thangna lama nai tugui tongo Nung shawi da man no Aro bahai ke shogoi nai Hanma no English by hanai
I am looking for the airport Can you tell me how to get there?
Phaidi Omona tesha slow ke khana lai nai
I am looking for the airport Can you tell me how to get there?
Kokborok by Aw Ang chu banai no no Hanma no English by hanai
Sure, I will help you
Phaidi Omona tesha slow ke khana lai nai
Sure, I will help you
Kokborok by Nung motor stand no gari eba auto book khayui Nahai mano airport to shogoi na bagai Hanma no English by hanai
You can book a cab or auto from the motor stand to reach the airport
Phaidi Omona tesha slow ke khana lai nai
You can book a cab or auto from the motor stand to reach the airport
Kokborok by Motor stand buro ba Hanma no English by hanai
Where is the motor stand?
Kokborok by Iko go honi hanmani no English bai hannai
It is over there.
Kokborok bai biko ba ang no hiable hanmano English bai hannai
Where? I don't see it.
Kokborok bai iko ayang lama ni kinar fashingo hanmano English bai hannai
Across the street. Across the street.
Kokborok bai ang tabuk shinugo hambai hanmano English bai hannai
Oh, I see it now. Thanks.
Kokborok bai do kokkurei hanmano English bai hannai
No problem.
Kokborok bai nung sai da man orogana gini ro kuno shutei jangnai nokrok da tong no hanmano English bai hannai
Do you know if there is any restroom around here?
Phaidi omna tesha sloge khana lainai
Do you know if there is any restroom around here?
Kokborok bai motor stand bishingo no kasha tongmale tongo hanmano English bai hannai
Yes, there's one inside the motor stand. Yes, there is one inside the motor stand.
Kokborok bai hambai chuba ma bagai bai hinmano English bai hinnai
Thanks for your help. Bye.
Phaidi omna tesha sloge khana lainai
Thanks for your help. Bye.
Kokborok bai yang se khana gadi nung America ni da angkha hanmano English bai hinnai Excuse me, are you American? Ang tasha sanai Excuse me, are you American? Excuse me, are you American? Number 2 Kokborok bai ihe ang India ni se hinmani no English bai hannai No, I am Indian. No, I am Indian. No, I am Indian. Number 3 Kokborok bai nung English kok da sawi man honmano English bai hannai Do you speak English? Ang tasha sanai Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Number 4 Kokborok bai kichatia saimano phia bishile manthaya hanmano English bai hannai A little but not very well. Ang tasha sanai A little but not very well. A little but not very well. Number 5 Kokborok bai nung ta mo khaisla hanmano English bai hannai What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? Number 6 Kokborok bai ang student han chamano English bai hannai I'm a student. I am a student. I'm a student. Number 7 Kokborok bai nini boyosh bumsuk hanmano English bai hannai How old are you? Ang tasha sanai How old are you? How old are you? Number 8 Kokborok bai ang 20 bosor han samani no English bai hannai I'm 20 years old. Ang tasha sanai I am 20 years old. I'm 20 years old. Number 9 Kokborok bai nangka da ka jakha hanmano English bai hannai Are you married? Ang tasha sanai Are you married? Are you married? Number 10 Kokborok bai ihe ang ka jagya khu hanmano English bai hannai No, I'm not married. No, I am not married. No, I'm not married. Kokborok bai belai no hambai hinmano English bai hanai thank you so much thank you so much nin bush lai no shakani bua fanangai thank you so much hinai kokborok bai nung bu jagani hanma no English bai hanai where are you from kokborok bai nini para buro hanma no English bai hanai where is your village kokborok bai nung buro tong hanma no English bai hanai where do you reside reside mane tong mani no hino kokborok bai nini bumung tamo hanma no English bai hanai what is your good name kokborok bai nung fungni tiffin da khaika hanma no English bai hanai did you have your breakfast kokborok bai nung dibor ni mai da chakha hanma no English bai hanai did you have your lunch kokborok bai nung hor ni mai da chakha hanma no English bai hanai did you have your dinner kokborok bai nung ta momui songkha hanma no English bai hanai what did you cook kokborok bai mui da thokka hanma no English bai hanai is the curry tasty kokborok bai tui khopsa nungna da eba tui nungna da hanma no English bai hanai would you like to have a glass of water kokborok bai achuk di hanma no English bai hanai please be seated kokborok bai thangna shakang mai chai thangsi di hanma no English bai hanai please have some food before going kokborok bai tini horo thui thangman ble ani nogo hanma no English bai hanai you can spend the night in my house tonight kokborok bai nokborok da tong bai hanma no English bai hanai is anybody home kokborok bai ang mayok khuika hanma no English bai hanai I am hungry kokborok bai ang bela no mayok khui sukha hanma no English bai hanai I am extremely hungry kokborok bai ang muktri phaikha hanma no English bai hanai I am sleepy kokborok bai khana fungo ano kicha dakte shosai ridi hanma no English bai hanai please wake me up early tomorrow morning kokborok bai ang belai no joli sukha hanma no English bai hanai I am very angry takhokte bukhok song norok tumong no video no chajakha hanga kai like subscribe ta share khaimani bising tei ano support khaimano norok ni kichasa choba chobai ani khabela no tongthoknai